Hi all. So this is our second lesson on Tamil Ariva Panba Pattimandram. So Pattimandram means a debate show. This debate is about whether your knowledge wins or your character, that is your behavior wins. There is a judge here and there are four students. Out of them, two are going to support knowledge and other two are going to support behavior. So let us see, let us get into the lesson. The first paragraph, it's an introduction about this debate. It's an introduction about what is the importance of debating, how it helps you to get better, how it improves your vocabulary, everything. So this is the introduction here, and they have given about Bharatiya here. Bharatiya, when he was just 11 years old, he wrote a poem that he first wrote a poem when he was just 11 years old. So what they are saying is கவி பாடும் திறமையை இளமையிலேயே வளர்த்துக் கொள்வது சால சிறந்தது means at young age you should start writing or no orally telling the poem. This is the right age to start. Young age is the right age to start. Here you can see the conversation, the debate. It has all the possible characteristics of a perfect Tamil ilakkanam, like monai, edugai, everything that is sounding we say same sounds, right? Same sounding, and then it's about even about voice modulation to kural ஏற்ற இறக்கத்தோடு means about voice modulation. தங்கு தடையின்றி means without any interruption, like going on a flow. Okay, so they are asking us to read all this with a voice modulation without any interruption so that we get used to all main ilakkanam about Tamil. The place which is where it is happening, where the debate is happening is school, and the time is afternoon 3 o'clock, and participants are the judge, then grade 5 students. Their names are Insubai, Arulappan, Madiyoli and Salima. So let's get into the lesson. So the debate topic is Ariva Panba, that is either brilliance or intelligence of your character. Here the judge, he is welcoming all the four kids before the show starts, and he's just praising Tamil language like Sen Tamale, Narun Tene. Ten means honey here. Honey, language is sweet like honey. Jagam Potrum Semmoliye. Zegam here, Zegam means world. So the language which is praised by all people, like all over the world, everywhere, everyone praises Tamil language, right? So Jagam Potrum Semmoli. Moli means language. Semmoli is Tamil here. முத்தமிழ் சொல்லெடுத்து நற்றமிழ் பட்டிமண்டபத்தின் நடுவர். நடுவர் means judge. பட்டிமண்டபம், that is debate. பட்டிமண்டபத்தின் நடுவராக நான் வந்துள்ளேன். Come as a judge. வணக்கம். தித்திக்கும் தேன் தமிழில் எத்திக்கும் புகழ் பரப்பும் வித்தக கவிதையால் பெரிதும் தேவை அறிவா பண்பா. Here this is what this rhyming words, like you can see here, தித்திக்கும், எத்திக்கும். These two are rhyming words, like how we do in English, rhyming words. Even in Tamil we have rhyming words, like the sounds that ends with the same sounds. Thithikum, ethikum. So this is rhyming words here. Thithikum தேன் தமிழில் எத்திக்கும் புகழ் பரப்பும். Thithikum means sweet, sweet language. Ethikum means all the directions. Thikku means in Tamil, thikku means direction. So ethikum means in all the directions. Pugal parapum, like popularity. So it's popular everywhere. Vittaha kavidayal. Kavidai is nothing but the poem. Peridum teve ariva panba. He is asking whether brilliance is important or your character plays an important role here. என்ன பாப்பாட வருகின்றனர் பாராட்டுக்குரிய நால்வர். நால்வர் means all the four kids. தனித்துவமிக்க இன்சுவை. So he's adding a tagline, like he's praising all the kids with a tagline. It's a word, tag word. தனித்துவமிக்க. தனித்துவம் means unique. So இன்சுவை is very unique. Salima, the girl, is சொல்லழகி, like the words which she uses is like very wise words she is using. So சொல்லழகி Salima. அருமையான அருளப்பன். He is a nice guy. ஒப்பற்ற மதியொலி. ஒப்பற்ற means again like we cannot compare. It's again a unique thing. Unique. So மதியொலி. He's here also you can see before the name of every kid he has added a tagline, tag word. So he's calling first Insuvai to start the show. So first Insuvai says புவி காக்கும் தமிழ் தாய்க்கும். Puvi means again world. In Tamil, we have so many different words for one English meaning. That is, for the word world, we have different Tamil words like Jegam, Ulagam, Puvi, Andam. All these words it indicates world. So Puvi Kakum means protecting the world as Tamil language. Tamil Thai means we say like the mother of Tamil language, who is the mother of Tamil language. Kavi Aranga Talamikum, the judge who is judging the show. Andorkum Sandorkum means like all the people, all the people who are sitting there, all wise people who are sitting there. Arivudan Munnetrathin Aniver means your intelligence plays a major role in improvement. Munnetra means improvement. Aniver means Aniver is nothing but the tree, the roots of the tree. How the roots of the tree are very important. Same way, our intelligence plays a major role. That's what she is saying. Agni Tanda Abdul Kalam Asathiyadum Arivale Arivale. She is comparing. She is just giving an example of our very renowned scientist Dr. Abdul Kalam Avargal. She is saying Abdul Kalam was known for his intelligence, was known for his famous inventions. He was popular for his brilliant inventions. So it was all because of his brilliance. அறிவின் துணை கொண்டே 1000 கண்டுபிடிப்பால் தாமஸ் ஆல்வா எடிசனும் வாழ்கின்றார் அறிவாளி. Again 1000 means 1000. So Thomas Alva Edison, again a very popular scientist, he has discovered thousands of inventions. So he is also known for his brilliance. He is also known for his knowledge. அறிவுமிகு மனிதனாக அகிலத்தில் உயர்ந்து நின்றார். Like if you are very intelligent, if you have a vast knowledge, then agilam means again here ulagam, that is world. You will rise, you will just reach heights. அத்தனையும் நம் கையில் என கூறி விடை பெறுகின்றேன். So next the judge is calling Madiyoli. She is going to support the character. அகிலமெல்லாம் தமிழே மணக்கும். She is saying again அகிலம் means world. So the Tamil மொழி, that is the language, everywhere the world knows about Tamil language. பண்புதான் வெற்றிப்படி என்றே பறைசாற்ற வந்துள்ளேன். So I'm here to support the character that plays a major role. நற்பண்பு தூக்கிவிடும் நம்மை உயரத்திலே. Again உயரம் means heights. We can reach heights with our well behaved character. நற்பண்பு புகுந்து விட்டால் நாவினிலே இனிமை வரும். If you are well behaved, then you will speak nicely to others. You will not use harsh words. You will not hurt others, right? That's what she is saying. பண்பாலே சிறந்தவர் தாம் பலருண்டு நம்மிடையே. She is saying we have so many people who are known for their character. பலருண்டு means there are so many people. There are so many people who are known for their பண்பாலே, that is character. புத்தரோடு வள்ளுவரும். Here she is again saying two names, two popular names, that is Buddha, we all know Buddha, and Valluvar, Thiruvalluvar, who wrote Tirukkural. Both they are known for their character. Character in the sense they taught whatever the books they have written, whatever they have written, all that teaches us about character, the good things of being a well-behaved person. So she is saying how Buddha and Valluvar, they taught us the good things of behavior. So character plays an important role. So this is her debate about points about character. Now again the judge, he is again praising Tamil Madiyoli's points, and now he is calling Arulappan to talk about to support the intelligence, that is knowledge. Arulappan, he is saying அறிவாற்றல் உள்ளவன்தான் ஆளுகின்றான் அண்டத்தை. Again, as I told you already, அண்டம் means world. So he is saying அறிவாற்றல் உள்ளவன் தான். Those who are very intelligent, those who have knowledge, he is the one who is ruling the world. வெறும் பண்பை வைத்துக்கொண்டு பெரும் பந்தல் போடலாமா? He is saying it is really useless to be well behaved. Just you are well behaved, does it mean that you are going to rule the world or you are going to achieve something? No. Here knowledge plays an important role. கூறும் பண்பில் நம் வயிறும் நிறைந்திடுமா? வயிறு means stomach. So he is asking people like, if you are well behaved, is it anyway going to give you food, you to feed you? That is what he is saying. It is waste, right? You should have some knowledge through which you can do some work, get some money, and then you can feed your family, feed yourself, everything. But since you are well behaved but without any knowledge, without any job, is it possible to survive? நல்லவன் இருந்தால் நாடென்ன முன்னேறுமா? He's saying just being good, can you help your country in improving? No, it's not possible. Just being a very good person, being a very well behaved person, it is not anyway going to help your country to improve. வல்லவன் வகுத்ததன்றோ வளமான இவ்வுலகு. He's saying this country is like, this country has lots of resources. So it is all because of people who have knowledge, who are very brilliant, who are very intelligent. Those people only helped this country to get all these resources. So தூண் போன்ற அறிவே தான் வான்முகத்தை தொட்டிடுமே. Tune means the pillar. So how the pillar is important for a house, how it holds the whole house. Same way the like pillar is strong. Same way the people who are intelligent, they plays a major role in the development of the country. That's what he is saying. Now he is calling Salima, the last person to debate now. She is going to support about the character. பண்பிலான் பெற்ற செல்வம். பண்பிலான் means the person without a very good behavior. பெற்ற செல்வம். செல்வம் means like money or whatever, like whatever the resource that you get, whatever money you get. பயனில்லை உலகோர்க்கே. பயனில்லை means useless. உலகோர்க்கே means the people of this world. So if you are like characterless, then whatever money or whatever wealth, that is the exact meaning for selvam, whatever the wealth you have got is useless for the people. பண்பே தான் அன்பை நல்கும். Your character gives love, like it projects love. பன்மடங்கு உயர்வை தரும். Again, பன்மடங்கு means it's like in multiples. So you reach heights. உண்மை சொன்னேன் யாவர்க்கும். உண்மை means truth. அன்பின் மிகுதியால் அதியமான். He is now going to show an example. He is going to tell an example about a king called Adiyaman. It's again a story, Tamil story. Adiyaman is a king, and he got one gooseberry, Nellikani in Tamil, which is a gooseberry fruit in English. Generally we all know the healthy benefits of having gooseberry. It contains vitamin C in major quantities. Having gooseberry, it improves your overall health. It helps you get better. So in the story, this special gooseberry was given to the king Adiyaman, which was having a quality of like life-saving quality. So as a king, he could have consumed it immediately, so that he could have lived for a long time. He could have ruled his kingdom. He could have fought with other people, other kingdoms, and he could have gained lots of things. But instead of being selfish, instead of consuming himself, he just gave it to Avvaiyar. Avvaiyar, you may know, she was a very famous Tamil poet. She was very old. She was a very famous Tamil poet. She sang so many songs about Murugan and about Tamil language. So the king Adiyaman, instead of consuming that life-saving gooseberry, he just presented it to Avvaiyar because he wanted Avvaiyar to live longer, just because she can do great things to Tamil language. She can write so many poems about Tamil language. She can improve Tamil language. She can she can help others to learn. So everything she can do. So Adhyaman thought she deserves more than him. So he was very selfless and he gave it to Avaya. That is because he was a well-behaved, good character person. Here, the brilliance plays no role here. It was his character which made him decide to give it away to Avaya. Then he's saying about the girl is saying about Annai Teresa, and we all know how Annai Teresa is known for her character of helping others. So here Salima is saying how Annai Teresa and how Adhyaman is known for their character, how they helped others. So here Gunam ennum Narpanbe, that is Gunam Panbu, both are same, that is your character. Gunam means character, Narpanbu means character. So both are like she's saying character plays an important role. So now the judgment by the judge, he is saying எல்லாரும் சிறப்பாக நல்லாரை போற்றும் வண்ணம் நற்கவிதை வாசித்தார்கள். Means he is saying everyone gave it very good. என்னுடைய தீர்ப்பிற்கு, that is my judgment, இசைந்தே வருகின்றேன். கண்ணுக்கு இருவிழி கல்வியின் நேர்வழி அறிவும் பண்பும் சமமாக வைத்து. சமம் means equal. So he is saying how கண்ணுக்கு means eyes, இருவிழி, that is both eyes. How it's equally important to have both the eyes for a person, for a human being. How it is important. Same way, both your character and your intelligence plays the same role. You can't neglect any one of this and say this one is better or that one is better. Both are equally important. So he is saying his judgment is both are equally important, and he is advising people like use your intelligence, use your character, and behave good, get better. And this is how he's like praising people. He's just wishing all the best to everyone, and then he's saying this is my judgment and I am just finishing off my debate with this. So that's the lesson. Here you can see the exercises, book back exercises. Here Natramil means Nanmai plus Tamil, that is Natramil. உலகம் என்னும் பொருளை குறிக்காத சொல் means the word that does not give meaning about உலகம், that is the word. So வானம் is a word. வானம் is a word that doesn't give the meaning of உலகம், world. அறிவு plus ஆயுதம், வு plus ஆ, you can say வு plus ஆ, when it combines it gives வா, அறிவாயுதம். Here it is அறிவாயுதம். Okay, next புகழ் எச்சொல்லின் எதிர்ச்சொல். எதிர்ச்சொல் means opposite. புகழ் means popularity. So இகழ் means like talking something bad about someone. That is what இகழ் in Tamil. So புகழ் means praising them. இகழ் is talking something bad about them. வெளிச்சம் means light. Again the word that doesn't mean வெளிச்சம், that is light. So this ஒளி means light. விளக்கு, that gives light. இருள் means darkness, that is absence of light. So the only word that doesn't relate to வெளிச்சம், that is light, is தெளிவு. தெளிவு means clear. Then you have to just separate these words, separate the word into two. பிரித்து எழுதுக. செந்தமிழ், செம்மை plus தமிழ். Kavi Arangam means Kavi plus this ya will become a. Kavi plus Arangam. That's it. And the question answers, you can just get the answers from this itself. Thank you.